Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Fix A Floor is probably one of the most versatile and effective solutions for anyone dealing with loose, cracked, or hollow-sounding floor tiles, offering a quick and professional-looking repair without the need for messy grout removal or complete tile replacement. This innovative adhesive is designed to penetrate deep beneath the tile, bonding it securely to the subfloor and eliminating those annoying squeaks and wobbles that can detract from the beauty and integrity of your home's flooring. Number 5. PentaUSA Warm Beige Tile Grout Repair Kit. Introducing the PentaUSA Warm Beige Tile Grout Repair Kit, your simple solution for restoring tile grout. This premixed formula makes DIY repairs a breeze. Our acrylic sanded grout compound cures into a solid, durable material that fills cracks and gaps. It's designed to resist peeling and flaking, creating a water-resistant moisture barrier perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. Ideal for bathroom showers, kitchen floors, and walls, this premixed tile grout works on various surfaces including ceramic, porcelain, and marble. It's perfect for interior spaces needing targeted beige grout repair. Need to fill deeper grout lines? This product can be applied in layers to build up for deep grout repair without a stated depth limit. Its thick consistency stays put on vertical surfaces. No mixing or measuring required. Simply squeeze it directly from the tube, smooth with the included tool, and wipe away excess. It's designed for first-time DIY users and homeowners. Choose from 5 warm beige tones to perfectly match your existing tile. You can even mix shades for a custom color. The anti-clog nozzle ensures you can save and reuse it for future touch-ups. What we like. This product offers excellent water resistance, making it ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. It comes in multiple beige tones to perfectly match your existing tiles. If you're looking for a seamless color match and a durable, water-resistant repair for your interior spaces, this is a great choice. What people say. Fix A Floor Tile Repair Adhesive is a great product that works well. The adhesive is easy to use and provides a strong bond. It is perfect for repairing loose or cracked tiles. Number 4. Fix A Floor Pro Pack Loose Tile Repair Adhesive. Tired of loose tiles and creaky floors? Introducing the Fix A Floor Pro Pack, your ultimate solution for professional floor repairs. Our extra-strength formula is designed to rebond loose tiles, marble, stone, and even creaky wood floors. It secures them back in place without the need for costly removal or replacement. This comprehensive Pro Pack comes with everything you need, including micro-syringe injectors and specialized drill bits. Achieve professional results with ease. It's compatible with all subfloor materials and a wide array of flooring types. This versatile adhesive ensures your repair blends seamlessly with your existing floors. Designed for easy use, anyone can perform repairs with a drill and caulking gun. It creates a permanent bond that won't dry or crack over time. Trust in the quality of a product proudly manufactured in the United States. It represents American innovation and craftsmanship for a top-tier floor repair solution. What we like. This option boasts an extra-strength formula designed for a permanent bond, perfect for loose tiles and even wood floors. It comes with specialized micro-syringe injectors for precise application. If you need to rebond tiles securely and are looking for a professional-grade solution with easy application, this Pro Pack is for you. What people say. Fix A Floor is a revolutionary product that allows you to repair loose tile without removing the tile or the grout. It is a permanent repair that works on all types of tile, including ceramic, porcelain, stone, and vinyl. Fix A Floor is easy to use and requires no special tools or skills. Number 3. PentaUSA Tile Grout Repair Kit, Gray. Introducing the PentaUSA Tile Grout Repair Kit, your all-in-one solution for cracked and worn tile grout. This premixed formula makes repairs simple and effective. Our acrylic sanded grout is designed for lasting repairs in wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens. It's water and stain resistant, providing protection for your tile. Choose from 5 shades of gray to perfectly match your existing tile. It blends seamlessly with ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, and more. No mixing required. This kit comes with a convenient applicator for easy, controlled application. It's perfect for both DIY beginners and experienced users. Fill even deep cracks and wide joints with our layerable application. You can build up the grout to the desired depth for a flawless finish. The built-in nozzle pin keeps it fresh between uses, preventing clogs. You can easily shape and smooth the repair lines for a professional look. What we like. This repair kit provides water-resistant protection, ideal for shower and wet areas. It's available in a collection of gray shades to match various tile styles. If you have gray tiles and need to fill deep gaps or wide joints with a durable, water-resistant solution, this product is a solid option. What people say. PentaUSA is a revolutionary product that eliminates the need to remove and replace tiles. It is a permanent solution for loose and hollow floor tiles. PentaUSA is a simple and easy-to-use product that can be used by anyone. Number 2. PentaUSA Loose Tile Repair Adhesive, 2-pack. Tired of loose tiles or creaky floors? Our extra-strength formula is designed to rebond your flooring securely, saving you the cost of removal and replacement. Achieve professional results with our easy-to-use syringe applicator. Simply drill, fill, and enjoy a perfectly repaired floor. This adhesive is compatible with all subfloor materials and a wide array of flooring types, ensuring a seamless repair that blends with your existing floors. Our formula creates a permanent bond that won't dry out or crack over time. Enjoy lasting repairs for years to come. The trimmable nozzle and included syringe applicator give you complete control for a clean, professional finish every time. Trust in the quality and reliability of a product proudly manufactured in the United States. It's American innovation for your home repairs. What we like. This adhesive creates a permanent bond that won't dry or crack, ensuring a lasting repair. It's DIY friendly and comes with a syringe applicator for precise control. If you're a homeowner looking for a reliable and easy-to-use solution to fix loose tiles and want a permanent, professional-looking result, consider this. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for loose tiles. It's easy to use and holds tiles securely. PentaUSA adhesive works great for quick tile repairs. Number 1. Red Devil 0497 Tile Paste Adhesive. Install and repair mosaic, plastic, and ceramic tiles on floors and walls. This adhesive is designed for easy use on a variety of surfaces. Create lasting tile installations with this acrylic, water-based adhesive. It ensures a strong, long-lasting hold for all your tiling projects. Enjoy simple application and tooling thanks to its ideal paste consistency. You can skip the trowel in most situations. The water-based formula makes cleanup a breeze. Simply use water to wipe away any excess. This adhesive combines quality and convenience, proudly made in the USA. It's perfect for both DIYers and professionals alike. What we like. This adhesive is a versatile solution for mosaic, plastic, and ceramic tiles, offering a permanent bond. Its water-based formula makes for effortless cleanup. If you're working on various tiling projects, from floors to walls, and need an easy-to-use adhesive with a strong, lasting hold and convenient cleanup, this is a great pick. What people say. This is a fantastic product that works very well. It is easy to use and apply. The adhesive is strong and holds tiles securely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.